Dear Mama, a llama? For my son, just help. My papa and mama, my friends, Star and Lucky. And that was special llama. Love to tell termite and to their more enormous mama. Is your mama a llama? Asked my friend Dave. No, she's not. The answer is Dave gave. She hung by her feet and she lived in a cave. I do not believe that llamas would behave. Oh, I said, you're right about that. I think your mama sounds more like a bat. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Fred. No, she's not. It's what Freddy said. She has a long neck and white feathers and wings. I don't think llama has all those things. Oh, I said, you don't need to go on. I think your mama must be a swan. Is your mama a llama? Asked my friend Jane. No, she's not, Jane proudly explained. She grazes on grass and she likes to say mew. I don't think that's what a llama would do. Oh, I understand how. I think that your mama must be a cow. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Clady. No, she's not. It's how Clady replied. She got flippers and whiskers and eats fish all day. I do not think llama act quite in that way. Oh, I said, I'm beginning to feel that your mama must really be a seal. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Rhoda. No, she's not. How Rhoda explained. She got big hind legs and a pocket for me, so I don't think llama is that what she would be. Oh, I said, that's country true. I think certainly true. I think your mama's a kangaroo. Is your mama a llama? I asked my friend Liam. Oh Lord, don't be silly. Lauren said this, agreeing. My mama had big ears, long necks, and fur and jewels. All people should know about her. Every llama must belong to the same herd. And you know about llamas, 'cause you're one too. Yes, you're right. I said to my friend, my mama is a llama, and this is the end.